formation. Oh, it's a lot. There. Formation. It's more. Are those gold plates?
Yes.
Tora-tora. It's a tora-tora. Yan pa. Is there gonna be more? You don't have jet fighters.
Yes.
You have? Are we gonna see them?
They'll be there like in bloom if you miss it.
Like, it's gonna be so fast.
Look at the big one.
Oh, this is huge. Galing!
To sing the Philippine national anthem.
Ano kayo mo? Ano ba?
They're the jet fighters, by the way.
Oh, here they are. So loud! Ang ingay. Today ay Veterans Day ng Netherlands at maraming activities sa city center. May mga parades, ngayon may air show. Ramon asked me kung gusto kong pumunta ng city center, lalo na doon sa may malapit sa may parliament, to watch the happenings. Pero mas gusto ko sa bayang init kasi ngayon. Dito kami sa garden. Show your garden. You don't wanna? Nahihiya siya sa garden niya, hindi niya naayos. Dito kami sa terrace, sa balcony. Tapos ayun yung garden niya sa baba. Show the roses. You have roses. Second round na. Umikot ulit sila. Ay! Ano ba yung mahulog naman?
Police helicopter leading them.
Yeah. These are the fighter helicopters.
Wow. Spitfire 2.
Spitfires, not Tora-Tora.
2121.
Tora-Tora. Spitfire. They're so close to each other. Ang galing, nag-round 2 sila.
I guess the big plane is coming now.
Yeah, sometime now.
There. Yeah, I think this is a Hercules.
Hercules.
Yeah. Any time now.
Yeah, the
fighters.
Fighters.
There, I can see them, but I don't hear them.
Oh, there. Are they faster than the speed of
Light?
Speed of sound?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I only hear them now. Amazing! The flyby for Veterans Day 2024. Live from our garden. Pasyal tayo sa Peace Palace. As a princess of peace. ICC is waving. Alam nyo na. Diyan yung ICC. Ito yung Hague Conference for International Law. Andito tayo ngayon. Peace Palace. Papasok tayo dyan. Ito, ganito kalaki yung lamok nila dito, oh. Lamok yan. Ayaw mag-focus. Focus. Ayan, lamok yan. Ang laki, day. Ayaw mag-focus. Pero lamok yan. Ang laki. Tatabi ko yung kamay ko, ha. Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki. Oh my God, ang laki nga. Yan ang lamok nila dito. Ang laki. Katabi ko yan. Ayan, oh. Ah! Ito yung Peace Palace dito sa The Hague. Diyan naka-base ang International Court of Justice. Papasok kami dyan ngayon to do a tour. Unfortunately, hindi pwede magdala ng camera at mag-take ng videos or pictures. Any recording devices, bawal dalhin, pasok sa loob. So, iwan namin. Chikahin ko na lang kayo mamaya kung anong experience sa loob. At ayan ulit yung lamok. Laki. World Peace Flame. In July 1999, 7 flames from 5 continents were united to create the World Peace Flame.
Mongolia.
Yan yun. Yan yung flame. And I believe, simula nung ni-start nila yung flame na yan, it hasn't been snuffed out. Yung mga bato-bato na nakapaligid dyan sa pathway, galing pala sa iba't ibang bansa yan. Kasi ito yung legend niya. Hanapin natin ang Philippines. 36H, Philippines. So, sa pathway, ito siya. 136. Yeah, 136H. So, hanapin natin siya dito.
Oh, it's in here. It's lower one. It's lower one.
Which one? Which one? This one? This one? Ah, itong slab na to. Yun daw yung galing sa Philippines. Ano ba yan? Punta na lang muna kami sa coffee shop. Tapos na kami mag-tour. Tour, not Tora. So, andun yung Peace Palace. Ayan siya. Tapos, dito yung coffee shop na nakita namin. So, dito tayo pupunta.
Mind the steps here. It's not,
Okay.
it's not even.
I think di naman ako magkakape.
it's going. Hi.
Hi.
So did you learn anything today?
A lot.
Like what?
So many. So pumunta nga kami dyan sa Peace Palace. Nakakainis, bawal nagpasok ng camera nga. Di ba sabi ko kanina? So, yung loob niya, working palace pala kasi siya. I mean, it's a working building. Hindi siya museum na para i-showcase lang yung mga artworks or whatever. Merong working court sa loob. Dalawa, International Court of Arbitration and International Court of Justice. So, mahigpit sila sa security dyan kasi nga, dyan talaga nag-hearing ng mga kaso. Nag-allergy po ako, pasensya na. So, pagpasok mo sa loob, yung feels talaga niya, parang siyang palasyo. Maganda, tapos hindi man very grand, pero it's quite grand. Tapos yung architecture niya, ano bang tawag? How do you call this architecture? She didn't really mention, right? Yeah. But however, yung pagbuo sa kanya, it's an international effort para mabuo yung building na yan. So in essence, kaya siya nabuo para i-house yung International Court of Justice. Kasi nung naganap yung first ever International Peace Conference headed by Russia, and it was held here in Netherlands, they decided to create something, a place to do the international justice. So, dyan yun. As nakakatuwa kasi yung architecture, yung designs, ano siya, contribution ng iba't ibang bansa. Yung mga wood na ginamit, a lot of them are from Haiti.
Wood from Haiti.
Yeah, wood from Haiti. And then the floor marbles.
Marble from Italy.
Are from Italy, yes. A lot of the stained glass are from Netherlands.
Yeah, so and Jaspis?
What's this? Jasper.
Jasper?
The huge vase. That weighs 3,000 kilograms. It's made out of jasper. That's from Russia.
Massive.
Yes, huge. Ang laki talaga niya. Kasi mga iba't ibang bansa, nag-send sila ng contribution nila to build the place and to design the place. Like, sorry. Like as simple as mga bust statues, mga even huge statues, paintings. Cut mo nga. Nag-allergy na naman ako, guys.
So there was this Japanese room.
Yeah, merong isang room doon. They call it Japanese room because it was designed, the design was contributed by the Japanese government. Ano siya, pagpasok ko doon, hatching ako. Kasi ano siya, silk tapestry. Tapos it took them 5 years daw.
Gold.
Para matapos yung tapestry na yun. It's made out of silk and then gold threads and everything. And every year, I guess, doon nagko-convene yung mga bawat representative ng mga bansa. So yung mga chairs doon, yung mga sandala, nandun yung mga coat of arms ng bawat bansa para doon sila upo, yung mga representative. Ang saya, nakita ko yung coat of arms ng Pilipinas. Red, blue, and white. Tapos Republika ng Pilipinas. Nakakatuwa kasi nakita ko agad siya. Pagpasok ko dun sa, nung palabas na kami sa room kasi hindi muna ako nag-ikot ng paningin. Nakinig muna ako kay ate. And then, ang daming mga contribution ng mga iba't ibang bansa. May contribution China, mga vases. Yung mga vases na kinontribute was contributed by the last emperor of China. Tapos, tawag dito, may mga interesting na items din doon. Yung mga bust nila Mandela, nila Gandhi. So, galing yun sa mga, sa mga respective countries nila. Ito na ngayon. Towards the last part. Kasi galing kami sa iba't ibang bansa. Yung mga participants. Thank you. Thank you. Galing sa iba't ibang bansa. Sabi ng girl, sige, name me your country and I'll tell you kung ano yung na-contribute sa amin. So, isang girl sabi niya, how about Austria? Is it Austria? Austria. And then immediately, those 2 candelabras are given by Austria. Ang ganda ng gift ng Austria. And then somebody said like, how about India? The bust of Gandhi that was on the hallway is from India. And then, tanong ako, how about Philippines? Isip si ate. Sabi niya, we haven't received anything from the Philippines. Girl, pahiya talaga ako. Nahiya ako kasi, ano ba yan? Wala man tayong binigay.
You call them Monday.
Kaya sabi ko, tatawag ako sa Lunes sa Pilipinas para magpadala naman ng gift dito. Ayun, nakakaloka lang kasi nga, syempre, kumbaga international nga eh. At saka member tayo niyan. Tawag dito, wala pala tayo kahit man lang isang picture or isang portrait or whatever about justice, about peace or whatever. Wala tayo na-contribute. So sana naman, mag-contribute naman, no? Ayun lang yung ganap namin today. Kakain muna kami. I think South African inspired tong restaurant kasi South African flavors daw tong toasty namin. Show them our food. We have toasty and I have beer.
From South Africa.
No. This is from where?
Belgium.
Belgium. Hoegaarden is from Belgium. So, that's it for now. Dane. Dear Daniel, I know you're watching. I hope you're watching. So, yun lang muna until then. Thank you for watching. Duy-duy. Say duy-duy.
Doei doei.